Hello guys, I'm back. Today let's talk about TAG. What is TAG in chemical process engineering and plant design? My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Follow my profile, like this video to have hundreds of content available to you related to chemical process engineering and plant design. So what is TAG in chemical process engineering and plant design? TAG, TAG. TAG, in a few words, is the identification that we give to a component in our process design. For instance, if I have a pump that must be installed in the field, I will build some or I will develop some documentations in order to have that pump available for installation. And before purchasing the equipment, we must give an identification for the equipment. So this is the tag. The pump, for instance, most often are identified with the letter P, and a sequential number. And the first digit for the sequential number most often is related to the area of the process. For instance, if I have a pump that is identified as P-210, it means that this is a pump, P for pump, and 210 can be 2 of area 2 and 10 as the 10th pump available in the process. Each company has its own way to do the tagging of the equipment, but not only the equipment are tagged, the control valves, the pipelines or pipes are tagged, also instrumentation, all the major fittings that must be purchased and must have a technical specification most often is tagged. So when you read a piping and instrumentation diagram, you will verify what are the identification of the components, and each identification must be used for only one piece of component. What I mean by that? I cannot tag two different pumps with the same tag or two different components with the same tag. For instance, if I have the valve V210 in the suction of my pump, I cannot tag another valve as V210 in another part of the process, because the tag is the ID of a component, and each person, as you have your personal ID, each piece of equipment, each piece of instrumentation, control valves, and etc. has its own identification. So based on that, now you know what is tag, what's the meaning of tag in chemical process engineering and plant design, and that will help you to develop and read, for instance, piping and instrumentation diagram. If you like this video, share it with other students, graduates, and engineers to help them know more about chemical process engineering and design. This is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.